ready. He wasn't ready.
Alright, he's off. He's off again, spinning. He's off. He's in the water. In the water, right hand side. You're covering each other. Air one, power into the water. Affirmative. He's off to the right in the water. We got one white male coming out the driver's side. He's not running. Also non-person inside the vehicle. He's over here.
I got drip for sale. 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 Big boy drip can't find his mate. 4 pockets sticking out, all of them fake. 20 strip around, we got all of them. Got 20 niggas around you and all of them fake. Had it up from LA, dropping off drip. 10 grand on 100, call that a clip. Isabella and McQueen hit a doggy style. On the drip I got on, got me soaking now. Versace on, I can still whip it. I can be somewhere cool, I can still drip. Drip around my neck, that's a meal ticket. Been a 3-piece suit, you can still get it. Got nothing on problem, but drip ain't one. You ain't gotta fuck with me, don't make me none. I'm a drip down, I'm a drip down. If you wanna buy drip, I can tell you something.
I got bricks for sale, got hits for sale. Coming through a couple walking outside. Count a little money, she'll let me fuck her outside. Push a little blood, I can fuck her in a 5-bar. 3-piece chicken, got it booming like a Popeye. South Carolina trap house on the south side. Every damn fly bitch see me, leave them mouth wide. Uptown making love, on the block kicking up. Got another 18 cents, that's a apple brick. I was in the 9th grade, that ain't really average. On the road, full text, everything the cabinet.
What's going on, guys? This is the Mac Doctor here, second to none custom. Today we're working on the rx7. It's time to bring the bit back. Being so busy with all the bills, track bill, customer cars, and yeah. This is not a how-to. Just giving some love to my baby, you know what I mean? It's a first gen, 1984 Mazda rx7 GSLSC, and to be honest, the metal is stronger and solid than all the cars. So today, the day, we're gonna give her some loving, so start prepping it, and soon start painting. So we're gonna get some TLC to the body. So stay tuned.
And but I just don't bless your family, your son Skylar, man. You know, you taught me a lot. You taught me a whole lot. I wish nothing but the best for you, man. Just we can see each other, say what's up or whatever. And but I just don't want no negativity, man. I block people because I don't want to see it every single day. Fuck you, suck a dick. You a faggot. You ain't doing shit. Your car doesn't even turn on. Blah 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 blah. Why do I want to read that every single day? So I literally pick up my son from school, smile at him, open up my phone, look on Instagram, it's niggas bashing me. Nah, we good. I don't want to see none of that shit. Block. Nah, we good. I don't want to see none of that shit. Block. You lose. No coupon codes for you.